My name is Karin Senior. I am the founder of Tika Lab. Tika Lab is a virtual laboratory platform that brings girls closer to science through fun experiments. I was born and raised in Haiti. I was always excited to go to the countryside where my grandma lives. This environment was always relaxing and I had a lot of fun learning, exploring. I usually have a great time there. Like, my grandma cooks very amazing foods. If I wanted to buy mangoes or oranges, I can just go to my grandma's backyard, take what I need. It was always amazing to explore and it was always fun, and I had a great time there learning about my environment. And this kind of fun got me interested about science, and I got to explore the molecular biology field. And this is that same fun that I want to bring to this platform so that girls can have this opportunity to see science as something that is not stressful. And in Haitian Creole, kids is translated into Timoun. I took the T from Timoun and I added the first two letters of my name. I joined those with lab, then we got Tika Lab.